Kiyi Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be making this lemon honey beer soap, and I would love for you to watch as I make it. So anyway, this is a really nice soap. It smells great. It has a little bit of like a smoky honey scent and then a lemon on top, like tangy lemon, so it's really good. I like this one a lot. Especially in the summer, this one's really refreshing. So this is a fun soap. Anyway, also it has a really cute lemon slice on top, and you'll get to see me put those in the soap. So, oh, and a little honeycomb texturizing on the side. I had a little trouble getting the honeycomb to stay this time, so I added it at the end. I'll give you a little zoom in of that. Okay, so we're making the lemon honey soap. I already have the oils and the beer mixed in, or the fragrance oils and the beer mixed into the other base oils. And then I'm going to emulsify the lye water into the oils. So I'm going to use my stick blender and my spatula and just go back and forth until it's blended to the consistency that I want. Okay, so we're blending with the stick blender. After I get it all the way emulsified and everything's mixed together correctly, then I'll pour my base color into the mold, and then I'll pour my gold color and I'll pour some into the white, so I'll have 3 colors. And using the 3 colors, that will create a swirl inside the soap. When I cut the bars, you'll be able to see there's a little variation of color. So adding that gold, the soap's gonna naturally turn darker because it has the beer in it, and then the gold just is a nice little darker golden color, and then the white's just a nice contrast to the 2 colors. So just mixing the 3 colors together and getting the air bubbles out, that's the important part at this point. So I'm just mixing with the spatula, getting the colors mixed together. So I'll add the last little bit of color onto the top, and then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so now it's time to add the little lemon slices, and these little slices are made out of soap. If you get up close to them, you can see they have all the little details that would make them look like a soap, or like a lemon slice, a soap lemon slice. So yeah, there they are going, and each one gets its own little lemon slice. Okay, the next step is placing the bubble wrap on top of the soap. This creates the honeycomb effect, just to say, because it's lemon honey and the beer I use has honey in it, so it's kind of bringing the lemon and the honey back all together. I hope you enjoyed watching me make that lemon honey soap. If you want to get a bar, it's available in my Etsy shop or on my website, kiyi.com. Same way as it's spelled for this channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put those in the comment box down below and I'll try to get back to you. And so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!